Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best non-drip caulking gun 2024. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best non-drip caulking gun 2024 for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. When it comes to home improvement projects, a non-drip caulking gun can be a game changer. These tools help you achieve clean, precise applications without the mess of traditional models. Here's what to consider when buying one in 2024. Look for a gun with a patented non-drip mechanism. This ensures that the cork stops flowing when you release the trigger, preventing messy spills. Ergonomic designs also make handling easier during extended use. Check if the caulking gun is compatible with various types of cork, including silicone, acrylic, and latex. Versatility is key for different projects around the home. A lightweight caulking gun can reduce fatigue during large jobs. Consider models that are easy to maneuver, especially in tight spaces. While there are budget-friendly options, investing in a higher quality model may save you money in the long run. Look for warranties that indicate durability. Research customer feedback to gauge performance and reliability. Reviews often highlight the best features and potential issues. A non-drip caulking gun can simplify your DIY tasks, providing a cleaner finish and ease of use. Prioritize design, compatibility, and user feedback to find the right model for your needs in 2024. Thanks for watching the video.